Marina has to push the people to adopt AI.
He has to greenlight the budget.
From production to logistics, sales, finance, everyone is really asking, I need the next agent. My name is Leonhard. I'm responsible for the IT of Kärcher globally.
I'm Marina. I'm responsible for AI enablement at Kärcher.
Kärcher is more than 90 years old, family-owned company with quite a lot of heritage. We are inventors of cleaning products from the backyard to big facilities.
We believe that every employee has value. So we want to give them the technologies to do the job they are here for.
It was a lucky move that we migrated the complete workforce to Google Workspace 5 years ago.
And when we introduced Gemini to it, it was like adding the sparkling cherry on top of it. We had a lot of eager users who were willing to try it out and test it out.
It's not like you enable a license and hope digital transformation happens magically. With Gemini and Gemini Enterprise, we clearly see that the people are adopting changes faster. We are really trying out everything and see how it could bring advantage to employees on different processes. This is where silos break and sales and service and finance come together and say, look, we have similar things to solve. And this is then where we say, look, with NotebookLM, we can do the knowledge management and see what's the best fit for their need.
For me, it was the recent slides generation feature where you can create CI-conform slides that actually look like your CI and you can still edit. Because I'm doing a lot of presentations, this feature is an instant time saver.
One of my highlights with the current developments is Workspace Studio. So we were one of the alpha testers already. And I had some processes before where I tried to keep up on IT news and regulatory things. I've completely automated this workflow for myself that Workspace Studio brings all the IT news I need to have every morning. And I can even listen to it with the podcast function on the drive to work, and I'm already informed every day.
And Workspace Studio is actually also a nice example of how our users are really engaged. When we just posted it in the chat space and recruited, a lot of people jumped on it and were like, yes, let me in, I want to participate. I think agentic AI is the next logical step because people already see the benefits they have with Gemini as a really versatile assistant, but people start asking this question, can I connect this data? Can I connect this tool? What if I can automate this? What if I can also handle this process completely independently and I'm just a human in the loop in the end?
And now with the agents coming in, all the pre-work is done by the agent and the human can really focus on the outcome the agent provides more than on the data gathering and so on.
So what we've done with Gemini Enterprise is we built a project team around it that we call the Agent Factory. So we really try to get the cases on the road that deliver value to the people immediately, and then we can also build on that infrastructure and get our company enterprise ready, agent ready, and full of absolutely amazing, great working agents.
With Google, Kärcher is building a new way to power wash the friction out of work.